how to turn off silent mode on iPhone without button. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off silent mode on an iPhone without using the physical button for users with a malfunctioning button. So let's dive right in. You'll need to open up your settings first and then tap on accessibility. Now, scroll down under physical and motor, tap on touch, and now you'll need to toggle on the assistive touch. So, now from the assistive touch, you'll be able to turn off the silent mode without button. You just have to tap on it and then you'll need to go to device. Now, here you can see the unmute option. So, you just have to tap on it. So you can just tap on it to turn it on and off. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.